What's up, guys? Okay, so don't touch our hair. We kind of just went through like wicked weather.
Yeah.
So if it's a mess,
Don't judge.
Anyway, today we did a rainy weather photography session.
And we don't like making our intros too long, so we hope you enjoy this video.
See ya!
Bye!
Here we go!
Look at me. How do you work an umbrella? This is like a weird.
Okay, so that video was like really fun to make.
I know, like, actually I was cold the whole time, but
Same, I had goosebumps. And
so what?
Yeah. Anyway, so if you guys are wondering who like took all these pictures,
Because we obviously didn't.
it was my brother.
Leo.
His YouTube channel name is in the description, so go check him out if you would like to see more of him. Yeah.
See more of him. See
Okay, so anyway, that's really all for this video. It's really kind of like short and sweet. Yeah, we can't really do much on this day, so
So, make sure to
like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos to come.
I went subscribe.
Okay, well let's do it again. So I hope you guys like and subscribe to this video and to our channel. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video and just stay tuned for more videos to come.
Okay.
See ya!
Bye.